Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Set Up Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode what number are we at today? I always keep on forgetting the number. We're 174. This is Crypto Stagnation, pre-2000 subscriber stream. Technical analysis for crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're going to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us in the Discord, links in the description. Thank you all for being here. I'm not sure who's in the house yet, but I'm going to start checking out who's here. Jake, thank you for being here. Steve, how's it going, man? Todd, hey man. Jorge Carranza, thank you for being here, man. Calfrangi, thanks for being here as well. Good evening, y'all. Jeffrey, how's it going? Bring facts. Hey. Alon Calzada, thank you for being here. Who else here? MI1T, thank you for being here as well. Coin25, Crypto, Cat Lover, Chocolate Coco, or Chocobo Coco, or whatever. I'm not sure how to say your name, dude. I always get tripped. Chocobo Coco. Yeah, that's it. Chocobo Coco. Synthros, Nick Coltish. That's it. I think I got everyone already. Firebeard, heyo, and Become Up. What's up, guys? Thank you for joining me tonight. I was working on a lot of stuff. That's why I started a little bit late. I'm actually going to show you something really cool that we're going to do with the stream. It's going to open up a little bit more space. Jake was sending me some stuff. I was not able to upload it. I was working with Soka on something for the stream. Really ate up my time, and that's why I started a little bit late because I lost track of time. Thank you for joining me tonight. I also did a couple things. I color corrected the camera as the stream, and the image quality should be a lot better than it was yesterday. So it should have better. And I also worked on some nice effects for this. Oh yeah, I forgot to lower the music. Thanks. There we go. Thank you for being here. Sorry about that. I forgot to lower the music as I started to speak. I was working on a lot of stuff prior to the stream starting, and I just started on a rush, and I forgot to lower the music. But I did color correction for the camera, so it looks a little bit better now. The image should look a lot better. And there's something I was working with Soka. I didn't get time to put something that Jake sent me into the stream. I need to readjust size of chat and a couple things. And also I'm not able to upload the image and get everything ready. Particularly because some of the things that we have up here on the stream are fixed text that was with the original image and not preloaded text, but you'll see in a second. I'll show you what we're working on. It's going to open up a lot of space on the stream. It's going to make it less cluttered. And now we're going to be able to do other stuff that we also wanted to do. And I also work on a little fade animation that you're going to see right now, all right? Need the Christmas lights at this point. Yeah, it's too dark in the back. Yeah, I know. That's because of the color correction. That's why we're going to get lighting, right? But check this out. Oh, that wasn't the animation I wanted to do. It's this one. Look, check this out. Once I get the stream, the little stream deck is going to be so much cooler. But check this animation out. Like, oh, that's sweet, man. I love that. Very vibrant, shining off the cheeks. Yeah. That's small animation that we're working on now. Took me a little bit to get it ready, but I think it's pretty legit. And that's the one we're going to be using right now. Yeah, so I've been working on like stepping up the stream. Jake sent me something. I was trying to get that image, and I just lost track of time with Soka. I was working on something here. Like you're gonna see the small thing here up top, and it's gonna basically be rotating throughout the stream, and it's gonna save time. For example, this will be the last super chat, and then it'll come like the last tip, etc. And all that's gonna be rotating right up here as well. So it's gonna open up those double lines, that line that I have there, and then the super chat line that I have somewhere down there in the corner. We're gonna merge all that, put it up here, and it's just gonna be rotating, and it's gonna open up so much space on me. It's gonna make it look a lot better, man. So yeah, we're like really working on improving the quality of stream, the quality of content that you're getting with better eye appeal, I would say. And so it's been a lot of stuff that we're working on tonight. Is it a bit too bright? It might be the color correction, man. And I also have another light up here that I just placed that I didn't have before. So that light might be a little bit too bright. If I'm looking too bright, let me know. I am trying to fix everything. There's a lot of adjustments for today, so I'm not sure if that light's too bright. I'm gonna try to turn it off. The controller's somewhere back here. It's really uncomfortable where it's at, but I think we can lower it a little bit. There it goes. Is that a little bit better now? Might be a little bit better, dude. I just tried to lower that, but I'm sorry about this. Let's move on to the technicals. Now let's get the show on the road. Bitcoin moved down. So, whoa. Yeah, we knew that was a possibility. Anyways, market cap below $1 trillion, right? Notorious. Your end goal is to get encrypt your own crypto streams. Yeah, that's gonna be good, man. That's a good goal to have. What's up, Roderick? Thank you for being here. I'm about to start. Sorry about the long intro. I'm so excited. We're doing so many things for this stream, dude. There's so much going on behind the scenes that it's gonna be really cool. I mean, I don't want to overhype it, but once we get that little marquee up there, it's gonna remove so much space. We're gonna work on some other stuff for the stream. We're really trying to polish it up a little bit more and make it look more professional. And yeah, it's gonna be really cool, man. So again, you know, I work with color correction today, something I'd never done before. So I was kind of gauging what looked better. I think this one is like the camera. I think I got it almost to where I wanted it to. Before it used to look very dull. Yeah, the back was a little bit more lit, but it was very dull. But since we're going to get lighting at some point in time, and I'm going to get a scrolling marquee back here, it's all going to be there, right? So it's going to be really tight later on. But that being said, let's keep rolling. How's my wife's finger? It's actually better. She can bend it. She didn't have to go to the hospital, which is good. But that aside, yeah, she's okay with that. Thanks for asking, man. Much appreciated. We have a new tip goal. Yes, we have a new tip goal. It's the chair. I put something on the Discord. If you're there, you know what it is. The tip goal for the chair, basically, it's there for an amount. We don't know which chair yet we're gonna be aiming for. It's like the amount, like some of the chairs that are being proposed are super expensive, and some people are said they're worth it. But right now, we're not gonna go for a super expensive chair. We just put like a goal. And once we get to that goal, we'll see like if we find a good chair on that budget, or if not, we're like, you know, updated to get one of the good chairs that you guys have been recommended. But let's keep rolling. Market cap, pull below $1 trillion. Remember we said we want to be above $1 trillion? Hard reject, right? So again, a lot of money flowing out today. It looks like we want to start to go up, but you know, a little bit of indecision. We can see that here. Last thing we had was this hidden bullish divergence. And that is really it. There's really nothing else building up here on market cap. So that being said, let's check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin losing dominance at 63.56, right? Gained yesterday, very little, 1.37%, but today it's already losing 0.53%, which means some alts might be doing good. The chair meme on the Discord. Yeah, that's gonna. Some chairs, like some of the chairs that you guys are recommending I think are a little bit expensive, but you know, if they're worthwhile, who knows? I mean, still hidden bullish on market cap. Yeah, still hidden bullish on market cap. Nothing else developing there on the daily. Bitcoin, we had a hidden bullish. We're trying to pump. We rejected, right? We said we want to stay above 1,300. Sorry, we want to stay above 34,438. We lost that area, unfortunately. What do you think of the one-day chart? I'm looking at the one-day chart. I'm looking at the daily chart. So on that note, you know, we're fluctuating still. We pulled back down all the way to where we opened. We actually lost 0.02% against yesterday's opening. So yeah, the prior day opening, yeah, the 24th. But today we're also moving down 0.84%. So where did we lose? We lost the high. Highest point we got into was 34,885, which was pretty good. I thought we were gonna actually clear this level. You know, it started to pull back down very hard. I didn't like that at all. By the time we close, again, closing almost where we're at. We don't have anything happening here on the daily. Neutral at 47.19. We're back on this channel of 33,090 to 31,432, right? The channel that we don't want to be in. We want to move away from this channel to the upside quickly. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What is happening on the 4-hour chart? Bitcoin, right? We have another chart. I'm going to look at another chart real quick before I actually do this one. It's this one, right? The triangle, we hit very close to a triangle and we're rejected again, right? Closer than we had hit here on rejection. So triangle is proving to be potentially valid for resistance. And we're still within the potential falling wedge, right? Which is okay. We got above that 236. We lost it. Not the best looking right now for Bitcoin. We could come down here to this 382 at 29,600. I hope that's not going to be the case. And we're going to hold support around the 31K, 30K, around this area, right? But again, Bitcoin pumped, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Everything here is good. We didn't have anything bearish. But we finally, from the previous island up here, we created some hidden bearish divergence. And that's what we're bringing down potentially, right? Look, lower. On the 4-hour, great. And then we're going low to high, right? And also on the RSI. So we have this hidden bearish divergence for potential action to downside. So we're starting to move down on that. Do we have something bullish? Not here. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high, right? So everything here is good. We don't have anything. Yeah, that pullback was around when the thing crashes. Alex Maldonado here. Thanks for being here. Much appreciated. Let's keep rolling. That's it for the 4-hour. Again, neutral at 45.39. So we're almost where we were at yesterday, right? This was a 6 p.m. candle. So when we started the stream, and then we pumped, right? And then we were like up here very nicely. Moved down a little bit, pumped a little bit more. And right now we're like, you know, not so happy, I guess. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Horst, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Califrangi. Yep. So we had this potential resistance line. We already broke, right? We knew that. So I'm going to get rid of this. No longer need it here. What do we have? Last thing we had was a strong bullish divergence, right? At 1 p.m. And then we started to climb and it was really good, right? And then we just consolidated a little bit. We called for flagging, trying to hold on to this area. Here we were holding on beautifully until we broke slightly. Then we quickly recovered and took a bounce. And everything to here was great, but we created some strong bearish divergence within the MACD actually. And that is, that would be a good part of the reason that we're breaking down right now. Strong bearish divergence. I'm gonna anchor this in the 1 hour. And, you know, potential action to the downside, and we did get that, right? We didn't have it against the RSI, it was just against the MACD. It was good enough to move us down. Now, do we have something bullish? Yeah, we have hidden bullish. Is it going to play out strongly to the upside? I'm not sure right now because we're already undoing that. So now we're coming into a new low. Even though we had it to here, and we can take this in 2 different parts, which is what I'm going to do right now to highlight what's happening. Here, right? And here, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And then it will be going from here slightly lower, right? So we had the hidden bullish, it pumped, it rejected, and now we are starting to create this strong bullish divergence, but it's very slight. It's gonna get rid of this very quickly, right? Any small drop is gonna negate this, and all that's gonna happen is it's gonna make us go from this low, right, to a new, to more, from this negative momentum to more negative momentum, right? As we drop slightly lower, and we'll still be above this area here of $31,200, right? So with that, I'm still, you know what? The crash was around time. Wall Street bets pumped GameStop to 160 and squeezed those shorts. Aaron Brokers claims they had an outage. Right. Did Wall Street bets really go? Sorry, did GameStop really go to 160? I didn't see that. I wasn't paying attention to GameStop today. Anyways, low, lower, negative, less negative, right? So again, we have it here, 36.92, 37, slightly higher. So we also have this strong bullish divergence, but it's very slight here against the RSI, right? F. Martin, thank you for being here, man. Ryan Ori, hi. So this is what we're trying to do. Strong bullish divergence. Let's see if we can materialize this into an actual pump. Otherwise, like I said, if we start making more negative momentum here, this will just track onto here, like this line here, track onto there. This will track onto here, and then we'll try to maybe try to get another potential rally on hidden bullish. We're gonna determine, right? Yeah. They're going for 1,000. They're gonna pump it to $1,000. Are you kidding? That's insane. Anyways, here's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin right now. Let's go to the half hour because we've been doing that for Bitcoin lately, and we'll see where we're at. So again, we were looking yesterday when we started here at this potential medium or hidden bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. And we did get this small flag that we called for, then we pumped, and then, you know, here we're already off the air, then we pumped again. That was fine. We created strong bearish divergence here as well, from high to a higher point. Let's get rid of this on the hour chart. There we go. And high to low. Right, and low to high, we don't have it here. 74, 75, slightly higher. So strong bearish divergence against the MACD. And then we took a drop, and that's fine. Now we're creating strong bullish divergence within the small drop as well. although we're just starting to develop it, right? Look, this bar just turned solid red here on this drop that we're getting, and this would potentially imply that we could be looking for a reversal or maybe action to the upside, right? We don't have it against the MACD, just against the RSI. That being said, that's all that we have for Bitcoin. There's a possibility for price action to go up on account that we're developing strong bullish divergence. It's not developed. Why is it not developed? We still have like half an hour to go to close this candle, and a couple minutes to go before we actually close this half-hour candle. Once we close it, we're gonna determine whether or not we're starting to develop it and see if we're gonna get a reversal. And like I told you, right, it's starting to drop more here. Let's see where we're at here. 221, 218. Gonna come back to Bitcoin. We're gonna recheck this in a little bit. Gonna move on to something else. Ethereum. Let's see how Ethereum is doing. Ethereum, higher, hello, right? We had that bearish divergence. We moved down afterwards, but let's go to the daily. Oh, look at Ethereum. We were calling for bearish divergence yesterday, right? On the daily, we pulled back down. Oh no, action to the downside against the MACD and the RSI. Actually, the RSI, I'm gonna re-anchor to here. That'll just leave there, and this I'll anchor to here. We still had that bearish divergence. We did move down on that, all the way down to support at 100 and sorry, not 100, $1,292. Now we're opening here and trying to move up slightly. We already moved up and rejected, so not too good, right? Bitcoin's not letting it run. Actually, Bitcoin's putting some bearish pressure on Ethereum, which is not good. It's neutral at 60.34, so we don't have anything else besides the bearish divergence that we called for. Let's go to the 4-hour. The 4-hour, we're also looking for bearish divergence here. We did get that small move down, and then we pumped and we negated what we were looking for here on the 4-hour because we went higher, right? But we negated here against the MACD, but we created some some strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? So from here to here. All right, so potential action to downside. We got that breakdown again, just with Bitcoin, right? Again, same two large red bars. It just gives some confirmation that Bitcoin does still move the market, as we know it does. What? That's weird. Sorry, guys. I'm checking out something here. It's not gonna let me do that right now. Anyways. Something's off with the stream. YouTube's giving me a warning that please use keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. I have to like paste this warning over here so I can fix it after the stream, because it doesn't let me fix anything as I'm live. So I'm gonna have to fix this post stream. There we go. Let's keep rolling. So again, Ethereum moving down, right? Do we have stuff coming in through like requests? I don't think I'm seeing any requests right now. Actually, go here to live requests and see if there's anything there. Nope. Everything's good. 88 people in the stream. Awesome. Thank you all for being here, guys. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? So again, action to downside, finding support at where we were supposed to find it, 1,292. Remember, we have areas for support. This is an area that's held before plenty of times. Now we're trying to get that potential bounce there. And again, rejecting it on the 4-hour. We don't have anything bullish. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on there, so to our point. Neutral at 50.57. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Hef Martin, she's good, man. Her finger's good now. Still a little bit swollen, a little bit bruised, but it's okay. She can move it at least, so it is not broken for sure. I think we established that yesterday, that it was not broken, so that's actually kind of cool. Send that to the 4-hour. Keep. Sure, we can do keep. Sorry, guys. Making sure I'm gonna like put this on here so we can update it, right? There we go. Did I check the Discord pre-stream request? Yes. Has the list not updated yet? There we go. Everything should be going up here on that corner over there with the streams going through, right? So, yeah, lists are there. I'm not sure if you added anything else after that. Hey, Nan, how's it going, man? Again, so what do we have here? Last thing we were calling for Ethereum was at 6 p.m. Bearish divergence, potential fraction downside. We're moving down on that. That's fine. We're moving down. Now, low, higher low. And then lower low on the RSI. Right now we're neutral at 41.39. And against the RSI, I was really tempted to anchor from here. It's just this all muddled stuff, right? So I'm really tempted to just go from here to here and say, look, hidden bullish still, right? Potential fraction to the upside. We're getting that small pump happening there. XMR, sure. So I'm gonna keep on rolling with this. Monero just been added and saved. There we go. Right on. So let's keep rolling. Now, things that I'm looking at here on Ethereum is that we don't have anything else that is bearish, right? Besides the strong bearish. Now, this hidden bullish might not be strong enough to pump us higher. We'll see. Right now, it looks like we pump, but we didn't even get to 1,387. We're rejecting. We could be coming lower, right? Slightly lower. 1,300 would do a trick. Then we'll be going low, lower, low, negative, less, negative, low, and there's at the higher point. Strong bullish divergence. We might be trying to pump from there. Tristan, how's it going, man? So, that being said, neutral at 40.82. Let's go to XRP. XRP, let's go on the daily. Is it doing anything? Nope, still within that range. Actually, breaking slightly below the 27.911, and now it's between the 27.911 and the 26.629. Not really doing a lot, right? XRP is just chilling there, doing nothing. Last thing we had was bearish divergence, hidden, action to the downside. We did move down on that again. Right now, we just, again, in this area, right? 27.911 to 26.629, so great. That's the area we're in. So let's go to the 1 hour. And as you can tell, we're trying to right now break below that 26.629. We've just been flirting with this for a little bit. So bearish divergence is the last thing we called. Hidden. Do we have something bullish? No, low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side to lower point. Nothing bullish right now. Maybe short term. Yeah, it seems like short term we're doing some strong bullish. And this is like what I was telling you we might see with Ethereum, right? Look, low, slightly lower low. We have it here at a support, which is good, right? That could give it some strength to hold. And then negative, less negative, and low on the other side to higher point, right? What's happening here right now, it's what I would hope that we get with Ethereum, right? Some strong bullish divergence, maybe if it's still going to move down, and then try to get a pump. Like Ethereum right now, starting to move down slightly. So if it moves slightly lower, try to get that bullish divergence to pump. Anyways, that's it for XRP. Not doing a lot, right? So let's go to Litecoin, I guess. Let's see how Litecoin's doing. What? Sure, man, we can do uni. I'm not sure if it's already on the list. Let me check. It's not on the list. Awesome. Let's keep rolling. Checking the chat real quick. Make sure I was not missing anything. Again, XRP is still dropping. If it drops a lot, it's going to get rid of this bullish divergence, right? Dropping a lot really is going to make that negative momentum go lower and the RSI also go lower, and we're going to get rid of it. So just be careful with that. So let's keep rolling. That's it for XRP. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin on the daily. Let's see what it's doing. What? Might be pushing for new lows and everything. Might want to give the TA a second to let Bitcoin chill. Yeah. Is Bitcoin dropping right now? Still? 31,000? Yep, still dropping. Gonna go back to Bitcoin a little bit. Anyways, what do we had here? Hidden bullish, right? Try to go up, hit that previous high at 146.41. Now rejecting and dropping. We don't have anything else happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, what do we had? We didn't have anything to here, right? Look, nothing went slightly higher. That was fine. Everything here is good. Nothing here on the 4 hour. Neutral, 42.78. So high, low, positive was positive. High, low. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, or low. So let's go to the 1 hour. What do we have here? High, low, high. All right. So bearish divergence, hidden, move down. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on their lower point. Pumping with Bitcoin, right? That's fine. Pumping with Bitcoin. Then we created the... Did we create something bearish here? I'm not seeing anything bearish here for the breakdown, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, high on their hard point. Even here, high, higher. So it looks good here. We're just breaking down, probably because Bitcoin broke down. That's the honest truth, man. I mean, Bitcoin did shake the market down, so it's all I'm seeing right now. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Even here, short term, we might lower, lower. So short term, we could have that divergence like Ethereum had, like XRP has. Right, low, lower on the 1 hour, and then a negative, less negative on the MACD. We really don't have a lot to hold on to right now as potential hope for actually the outside. Strong bullish, but if it keeps on dropping, it's gonna get rid of it. GRT is already on the list. Thank you. That's gonna be coin number 10 that we're gonna look at. But thank you for asking and letting me know that, right? Like, if you want, like, before you actually, like, request a coin, like, there's a list that's up there in that corner that has all the coins that we're already doing, right? So, yeah, market's been moving down a lot. All right, so Litecoin. Let's do Binance, and then we'll move on to Bitcoin again, right, for a recap. So Litecoin, not Litecoin, Binance. Let's go to Binance. There we go. Anyways, hidden bullish, trying to pop. Have the Bollinger Bands hidden. Let's bring them out. There we go. Below the 20, neutral at 52.89. So we're rejecting the 24, the third day, fourth day, fifth day in a row. Weird. Let's move on to the 4 hour. Nothing here. High, low, positive, less positive. High on the other side to lower point, nothing bearish, right? Last thing we had was this strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside, we got it. Don't have anything else here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What?
Is there any chance you could please analyze Engine as the last coin? It just, 10 minutes ago, got listed on Japanese markets, according to CoinDesk.
Yeah, bro, definitely. I can check out Engine. I'll put it here. So you want me to look at it at the last coin, right? The last coin I do tonight, or later on. I still have 17 coins to go through, or you want me to do it next coin? Let me know. I'll do it whenever you want me to, right? So I can do it at the end, or I can do it in the right next, or you know, in like 17 projects. Just let me know. Right? Thanks for awesome tip, dude. I really appreciate that. $4.99 on British pounds, man. Really, really appreciate that. So I just said Engine as the last coin. So let me know when you want it, and I'll check it out for sure, right? Thank you very much, Nick Coltish, for the tip. Really appreciate that. I'll put in the list right now. So. All right. So I wrote it down. I'm just gonna put in the list then. All right, give it time to be listed and do its thing. Binance is dropping. That means Bitcoin's probably also going down. You have something bearish here. Yeah, we have bearish divergence, right? From here to here, it's very likely going to be one. Did we have this one yesterday, or did we not have it? For some reason, I don't have it listed. It might be that we were slightly lower. One slightly higher. So bearish divergence here on Binance, right? Strong bearish divergence. Then we pump a little bit more. Then we still drop it a little bit here, right? So more strong bearish divergence, but this time we also have it against the RSI. So action to the downside, we took that small dive, went down that rabbit hole. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's a hard point. That's fine. Low, high, negative, more negative. We do have this island here. But even if I ignore that island, we still have this hidden bullish divergence against the RSI, right? So with that, action to the upside. And see where we go, man. Pumped, rejected the 20. And moving down because Bitcoin's moving down. So let's go back to Bitcoin and check out. Oh, 31,600. It's still dropping, man. It's still dropping. We're getting rid of that divergence that I talked to you about earlier. So this strong bullish, let's say goodbye to it, right? It's no longer there. Oh, there goes the hopes of trying to like save face on Bitcoin. What we're doing right now, this will track onto there. This tracks onto here. Right, we don't have it here still slightly higher, but this one we got rid of. So we just have hidden bullish right now to try to save us, right? And it doesn't look like it's gonna hold actually. Might not hold, we'll see. Come back to Bitcoin later on. It's taking a dive. Here we still have this strong bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Potential for action, sorry, the 30-minute. Potential for action to the upside. And we also have it against the RSI. I'm just not sure why I didn't call it here in the half-hour, but I'm in here. So we managed to hold on to this, right? And this could be actually good for Bitcoin. If we have the strong bullish at a support on the half-hour, it could impulse the 1 hour back up, which in turn could impulse the 4-hour back up as well. Let's see where Bitcoin's at in the 4-hour. Low, high, negative, yeah. That's fine for Bitcoin right now. So we did Litecoin, we did Binance. Let's go check out RSR real quick and see what RSR is doing. Thank you for being here, guys. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like button, sub, right? So many people in here. Thank you all for being here and joining me tonight. Let's see if we can actually get to, can we get there tonight? We started the stream at 1,934 subs. Let's see if we can actually get above 2,000 tonight. I'm not sure we're gonna get 2,000 tonight. If Bitcoin starts crashing, we could, but that'd be really bad for a lot of people. I'm not sure if I want that for anyone, just so I can get more subs. I'd rather get subs when Bitcoin's pumping. Do I think we retest 30K? I think first retest 31,400, and if we break there, yeah, 30,600 will be a likely retest. Right, support here. And support here. I do have an alert. We're gonna get alerted if it gets there, so let's keep checking things out, right? Yeah, I'm not sure this was China, dude. This was like 10 in the morning when it started dropping, so. Let's go check out RSR. RSR at 3.4 cents. It's dropping because Bitcoin's dropping, right? So let's go on the daily. Again, hidden bullish. We still have that. Neutral at 48.77, so not a lot happening here on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, on the 4-hour, we don't have anything high, low, positive, high, low. And there, low, high, or low, negative, less, negative, low on our side to our point. Neutral at 37.87. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. Last thing we had was the strong bullish divergence, sorry, the hidden bullish divergence correction to the upside. We did move up, reject it, move lower. We have something here for the rejection. Let's see. Let me zoom in. High low. What is this? 53.28, 53.29. Yeah, I guess we could say it's slightly higher. I mean, if you want to get too technical with this, you can say it's going a little bit higher and hidden bearish, and go down on that, you know. So I think it would really have going on for this. And right now, again, taking this massive dive because of Bitcoin and rejecting the 236. So hope Bitcoin really comes back to terms, because it's really raining on everyone's parade right now. Let's see this low, lower, low, right, and then negative, less negative. So we do have a little bit of strong bullish divergence here against the MACD and the RSI. That could be a catalyst for action to the upside. A lot of coins seem to be having this bullish divergence. That's it for RSR, dude. Let's go check out DVT. We're DVT at 6.8 sats. That's fairly good. What's its current price? Bitcoin's dropping, so it's probably taking a small hit, but still holding on very good, man, right? 0.2156. You got to consider that when we gave out the $500 worth of DVT, it was worth like below 0.0001, so about 0.009 something. It's gone up a lot, so it's doing really good. Also DVT. I'll get back to Bitcoin and Ethereum in a second, right? So after GRT, we'll do a small recap. All right, so that gives us a chance to move through some coins, guys. So today looks white because I'm off. I'm not logged into the exchange, so it's fine. Anyways, so let's see. High, we're going sideways here on the price, right? So here we came sideways at 7.7 sats, which is fine, and we're coming lower, and we're also coming lower here against the MACD. So on that account, we would be having sorry, there's something off here with the MACD. Is it making positive momentum now? It's weird because there's no bars here. There should be something. Anyways, we're making a medium bullish, medium bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? So that's what I'm seeing here with the 1 hour DVT, right? Jeffrey, yeah, if Bitcoin loses dominance, they have a little bit more of a room to move, right? Scroll at the top of the DVT order book. Here? 3.98 million at 140 at 14 cents. What? No, sorry, higher. What do you want me to look at the top of the order book, man? I'm on DVT to Bitcoin, I guess. Am I? Yeah. So, Jake says... Sorry, guys. Dude, I see 8 and change. On top of the order book. Yeah. 8.47 million. But still not a lot to get it to 10 sats, right? That's very small. Oh, like 1.36 is nothing. I haven't done SNX tonight. No, it's not been requested. Right, so I'm gonna keep rolling. DVT on the 4 hour. That's all that's available, Jake. Yeah, 8 million. It's not a lot. on the project, considering the current price. Yeah. Higher, positive, more positive. Hello? Slightly higher still. Let me just check with the number. 77.29, 78, slightly higher. So yeah, nothing bearish here on the 4-hour chart, even short term. So it's looking good on the 4-hour, and then on the daily, yeah, so it still looks good. Yeah, looks still sustaining at good prices, right? It's just struggling to go higher. We don't have anything bearish. Higher, positive, more positive, higher. Overbought at 72.49, so not a lot of bearishness here on DVT. Actually, I like it. With what's happening with them, DVT, and I'm long on DVT. Yeah, I hold a sizable chunk of DVT. I like the project, and with what's gonna happen with Tug's Finance is gonna make it very interesting. And look, just a couple weeks ago, not even months ago, right? A couple weeks ago, on December still, you could have bought for 1 sat at current Bitcoin prices at 10. But 1 Satoshi, dude, that's all it would have cost you to add a position here. And look at where it's at right now, 6.1, right? So we've been talking about this move to the upside for a while. Plus, when it gets finally wrapped and on Binance Smart Chain, it's just gonna make it go to the moon, man. All right. Ergo, sure, why not? You only long projects you like? That's fine. It's what you should do, actually, right? You should only long projects that you're into, that you're doing your research, and that you actually like. So, yeah, pretty good, man. I would keep holding. You're holding keep Graph, Stellar, and Engine. That's pretty good. We're actually gonna look at Engine in a little bit. I got in around 5 sats, but that was when the price of Bitcoin was around below 10,000. So for me, the 5 sats was almost like nothing, dude. Right. So I got a good size. So no, I actually got in for less. I got in around like 2.5, I think, and then also at 5. But the thing is, I got in against Bitcoin Cash, and there was a huge gap between the Bitcoin Cash and the Bitcoin chart, and basically, I got in for half the price of what it was currently worth at Bitcoin. So I got in, like, even though Bitcoin was at 0.5, I got in for like 2.5, something like that. So that was pretty good. DVT about to pump after news comes out. Yeah, I'm big on DVT. I'm low on DVT, man. I like it. Again, I like it so much that I got involved with their project, right? I'm in their marketing DAO. I already disclosed that plenty of times. So, but I'm not chilling the project. I'm not pushing the project to you guys. I analyze it because I've been analyzing since before I was in their DAO, and that's because I have a sizable chunk of the project, and I just got interested in it so much, and then I got offered. I actually got voted into joining the marketing DAO. I actually wanted to be in their marketing DAO, so I actually went in and applied. Basically, look, Bitcoin RSR pulling up. That means Bitcoin's probably pulling up a little bit. Let's go to Theta, CRV, and GRT, and then let's go Bitcoin, right? Oh, I just hit something. There we go. Right, so Theta, we had a sort of downsloping channel, which we're breaking to the upside. That's fine. We broke out. We're using that support, trying to pump more. Doing good. Nothing wrong here, right? Last thing we had, this would have tracked down to there. This would have tracked down to there. And we have this hidden bullish fraction to the upside. That's great. We had it here still. We just still have hidden bullish neutral at 58.37. Let's go to the 4-hour. Right, so we're looking for some hidden bearish. We did move down on that, hit support and pumped, so that's fine. Nothing off with that. Now high, higher, positive, more positive, high on the RSI, higher point, even from here, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Everything's great. Neutral at 6.84. Move down a little bit, trying to recover right now, so it's doing good. On Theta, let's go to the 1-hour chart for Theta. Last thing we had on the 1 hour was hidden bullish divergence. Sorry, not hidden, strong bullish divergence, fraction to the upside, and we took that nice pump, hit that 20 and then took off, right? So very, very nice play here on Theta. Bullish divergence coming to play nicely. And now we're starting to build some hidden bullish. So from here to here, and from here to here, right? Hidden bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. Neutral at 48.95. If Ethereum drops to 750 pounds, you won't miss it. Interesting. Carthago, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Yeah, that would seem about right. Jake does have a video out on DVT because he's also involved with the community. Anyways, neutral at 48.58. That's it for Theta. Dude, again, let's see if it's going to hold on to this because Bitcoin could really damper its action, right? CRV. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Yep, good. We'll start on the daily. Again, last thing we had on CRV was bearish divergence. Actually, downside, we moved down again, hit support at the 236. Yeah, 236. Awesome. Now we're starting to go up slightly, but again, Bitcoin pushing it down. Again, strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside, we got that. We're seeing bought at 70.06, so nothing happening here on the daily. On the 4 hour, last thing we had was also this bearish divergence. We had the support line that we broke out of, and we were breaking out of this channel, which is fine, you know, just finishing the uptrend a little bit, starting to move down very, very close to support, and trying to bounce. Again, Bitcoin pooping on the parade. Low, higher low, negative. Are we doing more negative, dude? Let me zoom in here. Negative, less negative, so still slightly higher. And then on the RSI, we're also slightly higher, so nothing bullish right now, but neutral at 50 on the RSI, 50.9 double low, so that's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I was looking at this move because it is some strong bullish divergence, right? So from here to here, and from negative momentum to less negative momentum. So negative, less negative, right? And with that, we have strong bullish divergence against the MACD, right? And with that, potential for price action to the upside. We don't have this against the RSI, just in this very, very last short bit. So from here to here, right? And we'll be getting that same move here, from here to here, and from here to here also. So strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. We did pump nicely, but again, Bitcoin really, really moving it down. And let's see if we can manage to regain this, because it had a really nice strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, but it's right now, you know, Bitcoin moving it down. We might have some hidden divergence. I'm just gonna check. Yeah, it does have some hidden bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. So this also ruins that a little bit, right? So from here to here, we don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD, potential for action to the upside. Sorry, downside. I just said upside. Potential for action to the downside, and we're moving down on that. Yeah. So that's it for CRV, man, right? Again, right now moving down the hidden bearish. Let's see if the strong bullish still materializes for another pump, right? Failing to drop lower than the previous low gives continuation to the bullishness. And if we drop lower than the previous low, we could be looking for a new negative momentum island to build. Maybe still create strong bullish before we actually pump. So those are the options on CRV. Let's go to the GRT, man, the graph. Still clear on the daily, neutral at 54.72, and we just trying to hold on to 51.92 cents. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. We've been breaking down since, broke slightly below that 51.92, trying to break back above it. We're sitting at 51.84, and do we have something? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to our point. Nothing there. Neutral at 46.09. Let's go to the 1 hour. So we had bearish divergence here, potential action to the downside. Right, and we're moving down since. That's fine. We're against the MACD and the RSI. And then from here to here, we're creating some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? That's what we have right against the MACD, not against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're still going lower. So against the MACD, we're looking for potential pump, and it could be part of the reason that we're trying to reclaim this level at 52.75. Look at this, so nice. We broke from this area, held support here briefly. Then we have faced resistance here at 55.02 again for breaking down, and right now we're facing resistance at 51.92. So let's see if this strong bullish divergence can materialize into price action to the upside. That's what we would be expecting with this. And I'm gonna leave it there. That's it for the graph again. Really not a lot happening, right? It's just a couple little things here and there. Well, Adoza, I think that the hedge funds are angry because people are beating them at their game, right? So, people got together and basically gave the finger back to the stock market, I guess, some way. So that they're not happy that, their plans to sink a company or really damage or earned by, sinking a company is being undone by the people. But, we'll see. Anyways, let's go back to Bitcoin. 31,700, pumping a little bit. Yep. Found support, right? Very, very close to where I have my alert. It didn't trigger though, right? So we were at the lowest point, 31,459, and have my alert at 31,432. So very close, within like $20. We'll look at gold today, but when I look at the markets part. So that's it for Bitcoin right now, right? This hidden bullish, trying to hold on to that support, right? So we'll see. Half hour should still be on play, right? For this bullish divergence to have action to the upside. That's what we're getting. So Ethereum's probably also recovering. Everyone's recovering right now because Bitcoin pulled up a little bit, right? Ethereum actually even developed that move that I was telling you guys about, right? Going slightly lower. Remember we were talking about it? I think someone else had it, XRP, and I told you this is what we want to get with the Ethereum. And now we have this strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, and that is what we're getting. Let's see if we can, hold on to this and keep on moving up. Let's go check out CRC, NOK, ADA, DNT, and KIP. That's up next. Thank you all for being here, guys. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Sorry guys, I'm checking something here real quick. Weird. It's awkward. For some reason, my monetization for this video says limited, and it's not showing the awesome tip that Nick sent. It just says limited monetization. I'm not sure why. That's weird. I haven't done anything. I haven't played copyright music or anything like that, so I'm not sure why YouTube is like putting a limit on the channel. That's awkward. What? Yo, check this out, guys. Like, I was checking this out on YouTube because it said limited, right? And it's not showing the tips. Yeah, it says it there, man, but it's not showing it on here where it's where it counts towards, you know, what I'm seeing. Like here. Sorry, here it says like, you know, chat revenue 0. It's stuck, so it's not gonna give me any chat revenue, I guess. And over here it says limited. When I click on it, it says this video is running limited to no ads content due to identify as not suitable for most advertisers. Remains fully payable and it's eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. Nope, it's YouTube doing something wrong. I'm not sure why. That's awkward, man. That's just freaking weird. So I'm gonna have to check with I guess YouTube afterwards. I'm not sure, it doesn't tell me. Just put ads before I start streaming. I did. Right now it just says the video is not eligible for that. Poor tuna. I'm using TradingView for the analysis. Like I don't have anything from them. Maybe I have something here. Nope. I don't have anything from them here. That's just weird, man. I'm not sure why they limited the thing here. So I'm not sure. Can you guys still see the super chat at the bottom? No, I didn't change the frames on the camera, but I doubt that will be. But I didn't do anything to OBS, dude. That's just freaking weird. And I cannot fix any of that while I'm live, which kind of sucks. Thank you for that.
Test.
Thank you for that, Jorge Carranza. Dude, I really appreciate that. And so it's coming through, but it's not showing up, so how do I fix this on OBS now? I'm gonna have to like fix this after the stream, I guess. Yeah, but I cannot fix it right now, so. updated overlay. Not sure. Let me try something real quick. I hope I don't crash the stream, guys. If I do, just stay with me for a second.